What up, YouTube? Live for the money. I just want to do a recap. I did this a couple months ago. 0607 Upper Deck. Uh, show you what I got. I got the LeBrons, Wise LeBrons, Athlete LeBron, the LeBrons, all four of them. I got a rookie gold of David Noel, rookie of Bobby Jones, a gold rookie of Bobby Jones, a gold rookie of PJ Tucker, a rookie of James Augustin, rookie of Alexander Johnson, rookie of Maurice Ager, gold rookie, no, not gold, just rookie of Steve Novak, rookie of Randy Foye, gold rookie of Denham Brown, rookie of Paul Davis, a gold rookie of Paul Davis, a gold rookie of Craig Smith, a gold rookie of Adam Morrison, a rookie of LaMarcus Aldridge, insert flight team of Manu Ginobili, another insert flight team of Sean Marion. I got a MVP watch of Chauncey Billups and Allen Iverson. My game used jersey was an Allen Iverson, but I traded that away. It was an alright box. I didn't really like it. Not gonna buy this anymore. But that was my recap. All of these are for sale right now. So leave a comment or just PM me. Thanks.